Welcome to our channel. Gone are the days of bulky, uncomfortable metal braces. With our state-of-the-art 3D printing process, we deliver custom-made, invisible aligners that are tailored to fit each patient's unique dental structure. Our advanced 3D scanning and digital modeling technologies allow us to create precise aligners that provide a snug fit, ensuring comfort and effective teeth correction. Using high-performance materials, our aligners are not only durable but also flexible, reducing discomfort and improving the overall patient experience. With digital simulations, you can see a preview of your new smile before the treatment even begins, offering a clear roadmap of your progress. Our commitment to innovation has made us a leader in dental care, bringing faster, more effective, and more comfortable orthodontic solutions to patients around the world. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on how our 3D technology is reshaping the future of orthodontics. Take the first step toward a confident, beautiful smile today. Thank you for watching, and let's get started on your journey to a perfect smile.